Oh, it smells like eggs, bro. My fart smells like eggs, and I didn't even like eat eggs. Yeah, I can't stand the smell of my own. Wait, why is it so? Yo, I really said let it out, guys. The lighting is so weird. With sugar, I look like I have a mullet, don't I? Brother is mad at me because I said that.
I'm not mad at you. You're busy saying stupid things about a mallet.
Oh.
You haven't seen what an ugly mallet looks like. I have friends who think they're good at mallet.
I'm just trying to like drink. Get that taste out of my tongue. Get it out. Get it out. I did not know that potatoes are like 50 calories. But I don't care because I'm just gonna get that taste out of my mouth.
You know I was joking, right?
How much calories are there?
You
Oh my
don't know.
God.
Like 60.
You lie.
No, I'm lying.
110 calories. Why are you eating a plane? This is why we're finishing bread. How many slices did you take?
2.
That's not 2.
I know it's folded, bro.
Nigga.
Look.
Oh,
See, it's
okay.
folded.
Okay. Sorry.
You just said it anyway.
Hey guys, it's a Friday.
Big check.
Big check. Oh. Fun fact, so yesterday, right, my friends and I were playing, like, well, not playing, it was just like we were chugging. We were chugging water. So his water bottle is like up to here, right? So he's gonna finish faster than me. Mine was like, I went up to here, to like 500. So like here. Bro, then I said, no, let me chug it again, right? Finish it this time. It took me 8 seconds. Thank you. Thank you. Did I need to burp? Yes, I did. Never in my life have I burped in front of men that aren't in my family. I always feel very rude when I do that, or even burp in front of anyone, or farts.
No.
I just, like, when I threw it back, I farted. But I never fought in front of anyone instead of my family. What does that mean? I only fought in front of my family. Yo! Smells like eggs, yo.
Let it rip. Daddy, you need to go. Daddy.
Imagine talking to your African father like that.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
This is a little bit dramatic. A little bit dramatic. Little bit dramatic. Little bit dramatic. The reason why I did it like this is because I'm dyslexic. Little bit dramatic.
Daddy, you need to go. Oh my God.
You smell so good, pow. Wait. You smell so good, pow. Every time I want to say power, I just get the hiccups. Having an afro is not for the weak, because even when I do twists, bruh, it's like springing up like it got business, bruh. Standing on business. What business is bro standing on? Imagine if I just like threw up.
The Spanish Civil War.
Yeah, I need to study that. Fun fact, did you guys know that Hitler farted a lot? Another fun fact, did you guys know that Hitler loved Walt Disney? Like, especially Mickey Mouse. Anyways, we need to go to school.
The thing is,
Hey, Daddy, say hi.
hey, I'm not dressed.
What do you mean? Say hi.
Hey, I'm not dressed. Only me when I'm not dressed. Let's go, guys.
Sorry, guys. I farted.